So, bought this PlayStation Portable in 2011 when it was on sale, and in 2016 when I tried to modify it, I fully bricked it. Now, when I try to power it up, it just sticks to the green light. Doesn't do anything, no activity light, nothing. I tried to open it up to see if I can fix it that way, but clearly not. Anyway, doing some more research, I have found that we simply need to use a jig rig battery to fix it. So, bought myself a jig rig battery off of eBay with a magic stick, and let's see if it fixes it. In. It powers up. Hold down left stick. Oh. I don't think I held that stick down fast enough. Let's try again. Hold down the stick and insert the battery and hold it down. And we have a sign of life. Great. Let's install the original firmware. Right, let's shut the unit down. Looks like the battery's cracked in shipping. Don't know what that white stuff is, but doesn't matter. Worked. Right. Let's insert the normal battery. Original scratched up case. Let's see what it does. Oh, we have light. It reads something. And we have life! Finally! Only 8 years. Now that I have the system on, I think posting said 5. System info. Yes, version 5. Let's upgrade the firmware. Oh, looks like the battery died. Let's plug in the charger and also get a slightly better battery. Where did I put it? Right, let's just replace the battery in this unit. And this one's dying. Let's make sure there's power. So now we're gonna update to 6.61. Screen looks amazing as it was barely used. Does need a new shell. The beauty now is that I have a Pandora Battery, so if this fails, we can simply restore and try again. Okay, let's restart by clicking X. And now that the system is on system settings, system info, we're on 6.61. Let's modify it. Right. On this SD card, we have all the necessary files set up and ready to go. So let's unlock this. Do not click here, always click up the top to ensure not to break the case. Right, make sure it's charging, plugged in, and a decent battery. Looks like we have infinity too. And we'll start up infinity 2. We'll click X to install, X to reboot. And again, I'm not scared of breaking it again because of the Pandora Battery. I'll come back. On the memory stick, we're going to do the LME installer for 661. Okay, and it should be as simple as clicking X. And now restarts in 6 seconds. Right, now that it's restarted, we go into memory stick, infinity. Click left and choose MECW by this check, and then back and home and exit. Once we exit, we'll need to reboot the system, and in theory, if all work correctly, a bunch of my backups will show up, and we'll be able to run them as normal. after 10 years, or nearly 10 years of this system being dead, we are happy to see that it's back up and running. Let's try Silent Hill.
From the depths of the drawer you rise, old memories light up my eyes with a glow that never dies. Your scream.
I'm happy to see that it's all working. Thank you for watching. If you liked, please leave a thumbs up. If not, well, thumbs down also helps, and leave a comment why you didn't like it. Have a good afternoon.